Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, silver had a bit of a wild day today. Nothing unexpected happened though, so we're still holding the upper support. But we had some interesting developments nevertheless, because the pattern we talked about could be complete. So first of all, we should look at this structure here from the wave 2 low. Let's focus on the bullish scenario first. So all the comments from the previous video remain valid. We had a 3-wave move up into the 16th of September high, where the price topped locally around $31.10. And then I gave you a support zone for wave 4, which was reached today. And I go to the 15-minute chart now, we see a bit more detail. So obviously, you know, things sometimes happen so quickly you can't make a video, but I warned about that volatility today in yesterday's video. And I think that wave 4 bottomed here. It makes sense because I gave you that support area yesterday. The price reached the 23.6 fib level. Obviously there was a catalyst that did something, which is what I mentioned yesterday, that on a day like that you can work through scenarios in a very short period of time. So it was probably our 5th wave, okay? And that gives us 5 waves up. Now, if this is wave 1 in yellow, or if it is the C wave in the white B wave, which would lead to a much larger pullback. Not bearish necessarily, but yeah, short-term bearish. That's going to come out in the next few days. But what I want to outline is that I think we've got 5 waves up now. And the idea is that we are now in wave 2. Now what we will do, I will take out the upper support area, because it will allow me to expand on the lower support area, because I want to add the fib levels that matter now in wave 2, and so in this deeper pullback that we're now watching for, and I want to adjust it based on the latest high, which doesn't change much, but this is sort of where we are. So we've already reached the 38.2 retracement, which is, I don't know, there is not really an official minimum for a wave 2, but this is sort of the first level I normally take seriously for a wave 2. It is quite shallow though for a wave 2. Normally I want to see at least the 50% retracement. So my thesis would be, if this is the yellow count, that we're doing this A, B, C. So maybe this B wave is going to happen sooner than later, rather sooner than later. And as long as we're holding above $28.38, I'd be watching for a 3rd wave rally from here, okay? We could say that potentially, alternatively, wave 2 could already have finished, but because this would be an extremely shallow wave 2, I would not believe this until we see a 5-wave rally above the intraday high that formed around $31.20. So therefore, preferred interpretation is a wider wave 2, which would where we've now possibly seen the A wave, or we are in the late stages of the A wave, then get a B and a C. Yep, alternatively wave 2 is bottomed, because this is the area that matters for a wave 2. Where exactly we're going to land would require a crystal ball, which I don't have. And I also find this for a wave 2 quite short in duration compared to the duration of the wave 1. But that being said, obviously it's Fed day, you know, as I said, you know, we can work through these scenarios quite quickly on a day like that. But primarily I'd be watching for an ABC structure. Below $28.38, the white count will take control, and we're likely heading down in wave C of B, from where the price then down here around maybe $25 to $23, the price could make another attempt to rally from there. But for now, in the next few days, the focus will be on that support zone. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.